So the snow has started to fall and the ski hill is now open. So could November be the month for the major shift in the Fernie real estate market? Let's dive in. I'm Phil Gadd with First Tracks Real Estate Group, bringing you the latest and the most intriguing updates from the Fernie real estate market for November 2023. So let's get into it. The Fernie market summary for November 2023. New listings, we're at 11, so that's down 15% on this time last year. Sold listings, again, very quiet in November. 6 sold listings, that's down 40% on 2022. So the average list price in November 2023 was 809,967. That's up 62% on this time last year. And the average sale price in Fernie, $777,550. That's up 70% on this time last year. So there's some interesting numbers there. Sale to list ratio is at 96%. So that's up 3%. So that's basically what someone lists their property for and what it actually sells for. The percentage there, the ratio is 96%. Days on market, we're at 60 days, so essentially 2 months, so that's down 13%. MSI number, so the monthly supply of inventory, that gives us the indication on what kind of market we're in, whether it's a seller's market or a buyer's market. So anything really below 4 is a seller's market. So like 1 to 3 is a really strong seller's market. Anything from 5, 6, 7, we are in a buyer's market. So that is an indication. The current MSI number for November 2023 is 5.24. That's up 31%. So that is an indication that we are moving into a buyer's market. And I will touch on that at the end. So the active inventory at the moment in Fernie, we've got 62 listings. That's up 9% on this time last year. So let's have a look at the average selling price throughout the year here in Fernie. It's a bit of a crazy graph starting back in January at 653,000. It's ping-ponged up and down throughout the year. The strongest month we've had in Fernie was July, which is $885,445. If you wanted to maximize your return, you want to have sold in July this year. We dropped right the way back down. So what's interesting is as interest rates bit in, we can see August, September, and then October's numbers are like diving towards the depth, reaching in October at 590,000 basically. But what's interesting, it's pinged back up again in November. We're back up to 777,000 now. So that's very interesting to analyze that and what that's telling us. Basically, what that's telling us is potentially there's some consumer confidence creeping back into the market, into Fernie. It's always been, in my opinion, over the last few months, there's a real opportunity for buyers right now because prices are softening. Sellers are reducing the prices of their homes in order to try and sell them. So there is an opportunity if you are pre-qualified, if you are a cash buyer, it's a really good time to get into the Fernie market right now. But what's also interesting, what I like to reflect against is so what is interesting, and I always like to compare this and reflect upon this against what the monthly average selling price is doing, is compare it to the actual overall average for 2023. So as you can see, the average selling price in 2023 is 725,369. So that is up around 13% more. So that's very interesting. And if we look at this graph, we can actually see that, yeah, we're up 13% on this year. So we're up 13% from 2023, from 2022. But what's also interesting is from 2021, we're up 13% from 2021 to 2022. So if you bought in 2021, you've seen a pretty good return on your property here in the Fernie real estate market. So once again, Phil Gadd with First Tracks Real Estate Group, giving you the monthly update, the monthly summary for the Fernie market. If you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to jump on a call and answer them for you. My direct number is 778 745 0347, or you can hit me up, schedule a call in the link below this video.